Welcome to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you how to create an Apple account to the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max.
Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Step 3. Tap Apple Account, then select Create Account or Create your Apple account. Step 4. Enter your name, country, date of birth, email address, and create a strong password. Step 5. Follow the prompts to verify your email and phone number by entering the code sent to you. Step 6. Optional. You may be asked to subscribe to Apple updates, news, software, products. Tick the box if you want. Step 7. Complete the setup. Apple now requires two-factor authentication, and security questions are no longer used.